We'll guide you through how to add and create a YouTube shortcut on your desktop. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Having a YouTube shortcut is very convenient because it lets you open YouTube quickly. You can start watching your favorite videos right away and also manage your own channel easily. For this method, we'll be using Google Chrome. It will be easier if you use Chrome too, so you can follow along step by step, although this can also be done in other browsers. First, open YouTube in Chrome. Go to the top right corner and click on the three dots. Scroll down and find the option for Save and Share, then hover your cursor over it. Now you'll see different options. You can install YouTube as an app, but in this video, we are using the shortcut option. Click on Create Shortcut. A pop-up will appear, and you just need to click on Create. The shortcut will then be added. If you check your desktop, you'll see the YouTube shortcut there. If you found this useful, please consider subscribing.